Alright, today we're going to 06, 07, 08 Forester. We're going to remove this belt molding off this 2008 Forester. Okay, remove this. There's a screw right here. We're going to go ahead and just put the switch back on there. There it is. This, if you try to pull it this way, it won't work this way. It's got to go outwards, like that. This way, if the molding's this way, and you try to pull like this, it ain't never coming off. But if you pull like this, it'll slide right off. Very simple. And since this is open, I'm going to go ahead and put this screw back in. It doesn't get lost. I'll put this guy back in. And that's how I take the butt molding off.